Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and we're going to do a review on a little set that I got. It feels a little cheap. I guess that's what you get for 20 bucks these days. I don't know. I don't know, it feels cheap in the bag when I brought it in. But let's see, whatever. As long as it cleans well and doesn't stain, I guess we're fine. And let's open up this package and see what we got inside, alright? Alright, yeah, it feels pretty cheap. I mean, I thought you would get some. I guess, you don't get stuff anymore like you used to. Alright, since I'm such an awesome stepdad, I got Coral a gift. And this is the gift that I got her. She wanted Goofy, but they didn't have it because Goofy's a million years old. So they didn't have it. So this is pink, so I got her this instead.
What? You didn't even see anything.
So she has her own plate set. See, look at that. She has her own plate. It's an LOL play set. Because I know she likes the LOL dolls. So this is the set that I got her. It comes with a bowl, it comes with a plate, comes with a cup, comes with a fork, and it comes with 2 spoons. So we're going to open this up. 5-piece dinnerware set. Melamine plate, melamine bowl, something tumbler, stainless steel utensils. Oops, the bowl already fell out. Here's the bowl right here. She could put mac and cheese or cereal or whatever in there, so she has her own bowl now. Doesn't say anything about being dishwasher safe though. Oh, it is dishwasher safe, top rack only. Okay, so that's what it says. So let's open this up, the rest of it. So now we have the tumbler right here. So she has her own little cup for herself over there when she drinks juice or whatever she's going to have in it. And then here's the stainless steel spoon. It feels pretty strong. Strong enough. I mean, what are you going to use this thing for to pick up, honestly? And then it comes with her own little fork, too. So she has a little fork to eat off of. And then she has her own dinner plate. It's only 9 inches, but how much are you going to eat? She doesn't really eat that much anyway, so it's a little plate that she gets her own little plate. Yeah. So, yeah, that's it. So I got it because she likes the color pink, and it comes in pink. And that's it. So this is kind of what it looks like. This is what it feels like. I mean, it's not like, it's flexible. I mean, I could probably break this if I wanted to, but it is flexible. You could probably drop it on the floor and nothing's going to happen. It's not like that's going to break, so they can be banged around or dropped. All right? So, yeah, that's it. That's just an unboxing review of it. Not really a long-term review of it. This is just the unboxing, so you could see what it looks like and see what it feels like. All right? So if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel and join me on my review adventures as I put up other reviews and try to help everybody in the community out as well. All right? So Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Bye-bye. Be safe, everyone.